upload a video to your Instagram feed with a custom thumbnail? I'll show you next. Hey Credos! If you're uploading a video to Instagram and you do not want the cover to look like this or this, but you want it to look something like this, I have the tip for you. Come on down to my computer screen. So the first thing you need to do is set up the video that you're going to upload with the thumbnail that you want to use. Now there are two options. You can scrub through the video itself, and if there's a frame in there that you already like and will be happy as a thumbnail, you can use that. If not, you can create a custom one and you can add it on, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The only thing you need to remember about the custom thumbnail is to keep it in the same aspect ratio as the video that you're uploading. So for example, if you're uploading a typical YouTube video in 1080p, make your thumbnail 1280 by 720. If you're uploading a square video that's often used in Instagram, use something like 1080 by 1080. Every week when I upload a YouTube video, I create a little teaser video for Instagram about the same video. And I'll pull you down into Adobe Premiere Pro to show you how I do that. So right here is my little clip. It's a little clip of the very beginning of my video. And the videos I upload in YouTube are typical 1080p, but what I do is I pull the finished video into a square video format, and I add a header and footer in the shadow box, as you can see here. So here's my little beginning of a clip, and here is the trick that gives me the custom thumbnail. At the end of my video, I put in a PNG file of my thumbnail with a 1 second duration, right here. The reason I put it at the end is because it gives me access to it in Instagram, but it doesn't show it for 1 second when someone comes across the video. So if they're scrolling through their feed and they come across the video, I don't want them to think it's a static image. I want the video to start playing immediately. And it will, because I have video at the beginning and I have the static image at the end. So after I've exported my little video clip with this thumbnail at the end, this is how I upload it. Once you've exported your video, you need to get it onto the camera roll of the device you're going to use. I tend to just text it to myself along with the caption. Then I have it on my text on my iPhone, and I can just save the video right onto my camera roll. I've already done that, so let's go. Here we are on my iPhone. I'm going to click the plus at the bottom center, which is going to help me add to my feed. So right there is the video clip that I want to use. So on this, I'm just going to click next. I don't put any filters or colorings on my videos, but if you look at the bottom, there are 3 buttons: filter, trim, and cover. This is the place to do the cover. Click on cover, and the trick is, if you have already uploaded the video, you can't change the cover. So I'm going to put my finger right here on the dark space. I can go back and forth, and I'm going to slide to the very end, which is where my thumbnail is. So I'll leave it there and click next. Now I have it set up like I want. I'm going to paste in my caption. I'm going to click OK. And now I can set any other parameters that I like, and I will do that really quickly. When I have everything set up as I would like, and you'll notice that I usually upload to my Facebook page that is linked to my Instagram account at the same time. I will just click share, and within just a few seconds, it will post to both Instagram and Facebook. And there it is. What I usually do is go to my account and just check it, give it a like. Or did you never have it to begin with? Check it to make sure it sounds good, quality's good, and if it is, I'm done. The only thing I would check that I haven't always known to check is look at the promote button underneath the video on the right hand side. Now I actually have never paid to promote a video or a post yet, but if that's not blue, if it's dimmed, it means the quality of your video is not what you would like it to be. It's poor for some reason. I do have one of my teasers that showed up a poor quality, and I don't know why, because I uploaded it the same way I always upload. But just check that before you leave it there, and then you're done. If this little tip was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join us on Instagram at Midlife Credo, and also join the Midlife Tribe on Facebook. Now go out and have a very carefully covered week.